Well, yes, that's another FN2 in the workshop on the ramps. Jason looks happy as ever. What are you doing, Jason?
Manifold and centre section, Daniel.
So Jap speed manifold, 4-to-1. Oh, hey. And then an M2 non-resonated centre section matching up to an M2 back box. And then, Jason, do you know what's happening after you've done that? That's right, it's going on the dyno and we are mapping it with the Ecutek software, which we do, you guys already know. Jason's hurting himself. You guys already know, Ecutek software on the dyno, mapping it live. 499 quid, guys. I mean, I do put that in the comments at the bottom, but you guys, just in case you didn't know. So it's a nice one in black. Customer bought it as a non-runner, I believe, and it's now about to get up on power. So happy days. Happy days indeed. Okay, so the exhaust work is done and it's purring nicely. Richard's going to put the AFR sensor in the exhaust. That's an additional tip that we put in there to make it easier. Yeah, so she's made it on the dyno. What we've got to do is, as per usual, we've got to do a stock run to see how she's performing now. At that point, once we know it's all healthy, it's doing what it's supposed to do, we'll put the Ecutek software onto the ECU, which can be done through the OBD2 port. No need for an additional ECU. We can put it straight onto this one. Once the Ecutek software is on there, it gives us the ability to log. Now, obviously, you can log AFR on the standard run, but we want to see the data coming from the ECU as well. At that point, once it's all singing and all happy, we shall start tuning, do the Ecutek feature maps, etc. And basically, all we're about at that point is getting more power out of her, especially in the mid-range. So yeah, so initial power run, here we go. How you getting on, brother? Alright. You nice and warm in there? Well, there we go. That is some impressive gains from an FN2. Just keeps getting better and better at Dynodaze. Love mapping these. We finished today on 200 and I'm calling that 218 brake. We were at 187 at the wheels, which is a significant improvement. So yeah, so there you go. That's another one in the bag. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, guys. And thanks for hanging out, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.
Launch control, your no lift shift and your auto down blip. And then obviously if you go to map 3, then that's your valid mode, so it won't rev past 3,500. So if you're going for MOT or something, you don't want anyone thrashing it, set it in map 3. Map 4 is non-start, so if you park it outside your house and you obviously want to leave it overnight, even if someone breaks and steals the keys, unless they know how this works, they can't get it going. So generally you probably want to leave it in map 2 for today because you want to be excited. The VSC has to be off for the launch control to work, and then basically, so if you fire it at this point, so foot on the clutch, put it in first gear, and then flat to the floor on the ribs. Cruise control, turn support down. Then the no lift shift will work automatically regardless. So basically, as soon as you get to wherever you want, don't half press the accelerator, don't do anything like that, it will rev through. So foot flat to the floor. As soon as you press the clutch, it will limit the revs wherever you are, so it's 5.5, 6, 7, wherever you are, and then it will limit there, change gear, let you put off the clutch, and then it will release it again. The auto blip downshift will work on the way down. As long as you're above 4,000 and you're braking and you're downshifting, it will blip every time you downshift. And then go through. That's about it.
Fantastic. Have fun, sir.
All right. Thank you.